Hi Virgos, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for November 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being asked to use these oracle decks that I have here. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Before I proceed, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for your support in this journey. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of October, stepping into November 2021, we have the Knight of Swords. Most definitely, you were being someone who was quite active and productive in this period. Appreciation may have also come in on account of your creativity. I think you needed to be flexible. Besides, you were adapting to the situation and making progress. For many of you, excess communication was also quite likely. Incidentally, you may also have been dealing with a person or a superior who never had concrete plans. Maybe there was ambiguity at work, and this could be quite frustrating for you because you're someone who wanted to get down to business. Obstacles to overcome or the challenges that November is going to present for Virgos worldwide is the Magician card. I think you're going to be someone who's in an investigative mood. You want to get to the bottom of things. Perhaps you should also be careful of your belongings because there's a tendency to misplace things. Though Virgos are known to be perfectionists and you know where you keep your belongings, but this could turn up this month. In personal relationships also, I think you may be dealing with limitations imposed upon our family members. For many of you, I'm also picking up that there could be outstation work offers, or perhaps you need to commute great distances to reach this workplace. Eventually, you will weigh the pros and cons and decide against it. Influences for this month, we have the Three of Wands. Again, this seems to be the key year. You're going to be creative, but then, like I said, there could be outstation work offers, so you have to deliberate on that account. Maybe you think that the work offers are not at par with what you have done in the past. That is why you're going to turn them down. I think you do have your reservations. Suppose this month you will also find demands on your time. Maybe family members expect you to assist them. I think collaboration is the key here. You need to help them out, but then this could mean that it would eat into your work hours. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you need to air your grievances. The first 10 days of the month, we have the Seven of Pentacles. Certainly, you're going to plan with respect to your future. You can expect to make gains in this period. Possibly many of you could be investing in gadgets. Sometimes, we put in more money expecting that this is the best way forward, but then hindsight, you may feel that it was unnecessary. At work also, I think you should ask for a raise, or maybe even while dealing with clients, you should haggle a bit and quote a higher price. Definitely, you will be much appreciated in this time. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th November, we have the World card. Overall contentment can be expected in this time. I think Virgos, you should not be greedy. Banking work or financial transactions could also keep you busy at this time. You will benefit if you will communicate or network a bit, though you may be reluctant to do this. On the personal front, I definitely feel that there could be disagreements within the family. Maybe money could be the bone of contention. Another thing, Virgos, I think somebody around you could be unwell, so you need to be mindful of the same. Those of you who are in the leadership position, I think you should be careful because there are jealous colleagues here. But then you also have your fair share of supporters who are going to put such colleagues in their place. Maybe you should also have a heart-to-heart talk with the management and air your views. In case you have differences with the superior, then the management could step in. Maybe you feel that the superior is undecided about the course of action or is deliberately misguiding you. The final days of November, that is towards 21st to 30th November, we have the Two of Swords. Certainly there's a decision that needs to be made, but then you may be undecided about how you should proceed. Perhaps you are in a limbo. You need to deliberate with your family elders or maybe a paternal figure, as this person could help you out. It's going to be a very hectic period. Oftentimes, you have to think on your feet and act immediately. I think at work you need to be more focused. Maybe you are accused of being inattentive. Change is definitely on the cards for you in this time. Maybe you will get less than your expectations, but then you can take heart from the fact that you are able to accomplish much. There's a sense of urgency here in your life in this time. With respect to your love life, I have this card, mute. Possibly unwanted attention is going to come your way. Maybe there are also lecherous men around you. That is why you're going to be mute, or that you're going to distance yourself from this kind of attention. Incidentally, I'm also picking up, in case you fancy someone, you want to reach out to this person. Maybe you feel that this person is unresponsive. That is why you feel you're making no headway in this connection. Romancing Virgos, you can definitely expect good communication with your person. Maybe you will bounce ideas of each other. Sometimes, you will give him a piece of your mind for being mute or being a silent spectator. But then you will forgive him. In fact, you will feel you have gone overboard. Romancing Virgos, I think your person definitely finds you quite hot and seductive. We do have the World card. We also have the Three of Wands here. So certainly he sees you as someone who is quite passionate and desirable. There could be those days when there's no communication. Maybe this person retreats into a shell. So you will give this person a piece of your mind, but then all is going to be forgotten very soon. You don't want this person to go quiet. You want him to continue with the flurry of messages. Anyhow, Virgos, this person definitely feels that this is a positive connection that he has with you. But you do wish he would be more demonstrative. In case you're in an unhappy connection, I think you will give your person the silent treatment. Maybe you feel that he blames you for no rhyme or reason. I think this will do the trick, because this person is definitely going to make amends, or will try to repair the damage that has been done. The last card in this reading, Virgos, is pink, which talks about love, caring and compassion. Definitely this talks about a romantic connection. It means that you desire compassion from your family members or your loved ones. You want them to listen to your point of view. You want them to be more reasonable. Again, in a romantic connection also, I think love is going to blossom here if you avoid those periods of no communication or no contact. By the way, Virgos, you desire commitment from your person. In case you're in a third party situation, or in case it's a complicated love affair, then you may feel that this person could be dilly-dally. Nevertheless, November is a month when you are going to feel content. You are going to make those decisions. Besides, change is also on the cards for you. I hope, Virgos, you liked your reading. This is Shah with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.